Hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you're notified of when we upload new video content, which is always going to be on a regular basis. Be on the first to view, first to like, first to comment, first to share, and all that good stuff there. So, to make a woman happy, that's not your job. Your job as a man is not to make a woman happy. That is being in a submissive state of mind, and that is being in a feminine frame. Yeah? That's not what you do. That's not what you do. If anything, she's supposed to make you happy. She's supposed to make you feel good. See, you need to know your role, know your position, and play it well. And things will go well. So what I recommend that you do, in fact, before I even get into that, even Will Smith has admitted on video saying, I can't remember the full thing verbatim, but he's even admitted that it's impossible to make his wife happy. And he's going to stop trying to make her happy. So what I recommend that you do right now, click the link in the description box below where it says become a member of the Akabulan Trust. Once you do that, you get access to online courses such as roles and relationships. That's where you're going to learn how to develop yourself to become a pure, thoroughbred alpha male, because then you will know that naturally it's not about making a woman happy. But anyway, and then on top of that, in that same course, you learn how relationships actually work, but you also learn the traits of a woman as well, and you will learn what they're supposed to do for you. You learn so much things that you were not taught. That's going to make your life, your dating life or your relationship life a lot more easier, a lot more smoother. So if you've got any questions or any topics you would like for us to discuss in our videos, go ahead, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, because you never know, the video you suggest might just be next.